So we are working on our cabinets today. We really haven't been doing too much filming, but Kelly is priming the inside. Woo!
Okay, now we are going to prime everything, the struts, the back of the cabinet, the top of the cabinet, everything. And I recruited Sam.
This is not my strong suit per se, but I'm here to help. It's the next day. We really didn't film anything yesterday, but here's the second half of our cabinet. It's all painted. Basically what we're doing now is this is the bottom plate of our cabinets, and we are pocket screwing these into the furring strips in the wall so they don't fall down. Now what we're gonna do, we were trying to assemble everything once it's in the van, but we're gonna just take everything out, assemble it outside of the van, and just screw it into the van, and it should be perfect.
Hopefully this will fix a lot of our issues.
I think it'll be a good idea.
We should put in one screw in the center, not all the way. We can back it out later, that way there's pressure holding the glue in.
We're done.
Yay.
Oh, this is just fine.
Kelly, what do we have here?
Can you freaking believe this? We have cabinets! Wait, ready? I'm gonna display what it's like to sit underneath our cabinet.
Yes.
Ready? This is just me sitting underneath our cabinet.
We're stuffing our cabinets. We got White Claw.
That's all we're gonna need, Doritos, White Claw, and water. So I think we're ready to hit the road.
High five.
Oh my God.
Good job.
That looks great.
It really
You
does.
can store at least 4 t-shirts in there.
So what are we doing, Kel?
Okay, so we are gonna bring some of our items and put them in the cabinet to see what kind of stuff fits, because we're just excited and wanna see.
Nope.
Oh boy!
He's ready.
This is like all the t-shirts I wear, and I pretty much only wear t-shirts, so.
Here, let's just see if you can put the entire bin in.
No, I mean, I already know it's bigger.
Oh, not wide enough.
Well, it regardless, like it means that many shirts could fit in there.
Yeah. Putting this pillow in.
Now, a pillow. We're probably gonna put the pillow in the headliner shelf, but
With a door, it'll work.
tight squeeze, we're not doing that. Here's a jacket. I mean, obviously I'll fold it up better, but if I shoved it over, I could fit like 4, probably. I don't know, quick math. We're doing this fast, our camera's about to die. Again, hopefully I would fold this, but we're working on it. Hi, baby. He just jumps into the van and goes right on the spot that's intended for him. Sam's taking out all my shirts to fold them in. This will be fun putting away, but
No, look.
this is awesome. I could fit even more than that. And then we'll have plenty of room for your toys and your cable.
He's like, you better.
Yeah. Good morning. So today we are doing the other panel of cabinets on the passenger side. We are going to put up our first piece of shiplap, hopefully, and I will be painting, they will be cutting. It'll be a great team today.
Nice nails.
Thanks.
Remember, when you're building the van, there are 3 rules. Strike first, strike hard, no mercy.
Yes, sensei.
Tips from Sam.
Not bad.
Okay, it's priming time.
All right, so change of plans. It's way too windy to paint outside, so we're gonna move everything and paint in the garage, real quick.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, we got that too.
I mean, okay, but that's great, but
No,
Yeah, good thing we got it on film.
R.I.P. my hand. Okay, I survived. Phil saved my life, And now we moved everything into the garage to paint. Also, this cool brick sander makes it so that you don't round out the edges and you keep them square.
Never-ending pocket screws.
Never ending.
But at the same time, what does level mean in a van?
Very true.
All right, so we have cut and primed all the cabinets over the passenger side, over the bench seat, and over the kitchen. And it took a lot longer because it's so windy today. We couldn't paint outside, so we had to cut everything and then quickly rush into this tiny garage to paint everything. But it's going good. We're gonna go actually paint our first coat tomorrow and then maybe install it. And we'll see you then. Bye, guys.
Bye. We're back, so we are just gonna cut the last couple pieces of the cabinet and then I'm gonna paint everything and that will be it for today because tomorrow is install.
Install day, tomorrow. Before we do our final coat of paint, I realized I want to do another notch on the top of our cabinets for our electrical box right here. Because you see over here, I made a notch for the back plate so the wires can run in, and then another one so the wires could run out through the bottom. But the thing is, I feel like we need to have another notch at the top so there's two ways the wires could access the cabinet, just to make it easier. So I'm gonna do that before we do our final coat of paint. So while Kelly's painting everything, my dad and I are going to cut down our last 3/4 piece of plywood that we're going to use for our platform. We're gonna get it cut, and he's messing with me, isn't he?
No.
Let's do it. So we just painted everything.
Everything.
I'm exhausted. We painted everything for both cabinets, over the bench and over the kitchen, and it's exhausting. And that's about it for today. We're just gonna let it dry, and we'll just catch up with you guys tomorrow. See you then.
See you soon. Why, thank you for opening the door, sir. So today is a very exciting day. We are doing our cabinets. We're finishing the structure of them today on the passenger side. So we will have cabinets all over.
Yay.
Yay!
Let's get
All this
out of our way.
So all of
You can
this
start piling this all up.
is going in
front.
there.
So what we're doing is we're figuring out how to notch the fairing strip so we can have the wires run through everything. So, math is very important in this build. We're using 3/4 inch pocket screws, so we need 1 1/4 actual screws. If that makes any sense. I don't think it does. I'm confused.
Doing a little wood glue for extra measure.
Probably just
New furring strips go first.
like if we get any audio.
Okay. We're having some hiccups.
It's just tough. At the end of the day, it's just hard. So you put something in, you realize you forgot to do something, and that's what we're dealing with right now.
Adding that furring strip real quick.
I mean, it doesn't matter if it's too
Cutting
far.
part of our shiplap right now.
Just-
Okay, now we're actually putting it together and putting it on the wall. Forge.
You run out of money.
Just put in our first piece of wall.
So excited. Although right now it looks like it's blending into the cabinet, it'll look like a real
think?
wall.
Because there is no such thing as a straight angle on a van, which is a mixed blessing, because then you never have to feel guilty if things don't line up perfectly. Where the cabinetry meets the roof, it's not a 45-degree angle, because the ceiling's on an angle. We want the cabinet straight. And we determined with this little tool that we want a 71-inch angle. So now we're going to cut this, and that way our cleat will have one 72-inch angle to it.
So we got this cabinet up, super excited, and now the moment I've been waiting for since we pre-wired. All of these wires are gonna be in this little electrical section right here, out of our face, out of our way. And I cut this notch here so the wires will run through the roof. And then if they need to go down to our battery or our inverter, you got a hole right there to do so. So I'm really excited. Look at this, it's looking good.
Kitchen cabinet.
Kitchen cabinet.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Thanks. We have a cabinet.
Woo!
Ooh, oh my god, my head.
Oh, hello. Do you want to see something cool that we just did in our van?
Yeah, hey Sam, can
Come-
you please show me?
Come through the back.
Come on. Let's go. We have cabinets.
We have cabinets. I'm so happy. This was a massive step. Oh man. Few things are better than a smoothie after a very long day of work.
I went old school and got the Team Jamba Juice.
Oh, this is the only smoothie I've ever gotten to Jamba Juice since I was in middle school. Shout out Strawberry Wild.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, the cabinet video. We still have to put the faces on our cabinets and the hinges and the dividers, but I think it went really well.
Yeah, definitely. This was something I was really excited for, and definitely a big learning curve. We've never built cabinets before. The only ones I've ever put together was one from IKEA. So this was definitely a big learning curve, and I'm really happy with how it turned out.
And thanks for watching and letting us know when you watch these videos. It's really exciting to see the responses, even if you're not building a van. And we also have been working quite hard on our Instagram and TikTok. It's been super fun to put all our clips together in that, and we update that daily. So if you want to follow that, it's at Sam and Kelly's Van, and that will be in the description below as well. But that'd be really cool if you guys could check that out.
Because on YouTube we post every 2 or 3 weeks, so.
And that one's more up to date.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm Sam.
I'm Kelly.
And this is Sunny. And we'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.
There he goes. There he goes again. We're gonna check on the dogs on
look at Tony. Just shoot a treat.
There he is. Hi, buddy.
That's a good boy, Tony. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
Wait, let me see.
He's not doing anything. Sit.
He's not gonna listen to you when you're 10 miles away.
Good boy.